This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. A ghost, yep, I see that candle back there. Had this move down and curled up, sideways, and then boom. Let's come back down to it now, though. How are you this morning otherwise? Market's overnight falling. The market didn't like something on earnings either from Tesla or from Google yesterday and gapped down at the open, and we've been falling ever since. 85, the high on ES, it's fallen all the way down to 51. It's about 34 points in range. 34 points in range. Ouch. On giving back the third, but I'm glad you're green there, Ghost. NQ 883 all the way down to 683, so a 200-point range, which is big. Let's just see if we continue to fall all day or if we bounce. Kappa, about 80 ticks in range. Ultra Bond, also about mid-range, and about the 2/3 of a point. Crude oil trying to recover. No, this is gold, sorry. Gold heading up. About 15 points in range. Crude oil, ooh, been rising up. There you go. About 89 ticks in range. Natural gas coming down, and Bitcoin sitting at 66.3. That's where he sits down there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. We get ready to rock and rumble with the MyFundedFutures evaluation account. Falling again, we just broke 700. I said 683 was the low. We're close. News this morning. We have U.S. wholesale inventories, retail inventories coming up here at 8:30. The Bank of Canada rate statement 9:45, as well as U.S. S&P services and manufacturing PMI flashes. 10 o'clock new home sales. 10:30 crude oil inventories. So kind of grinding down. We'll get back down to the daily low. Pop up with a blue candle. Oh, I have a blue. Sorry. I missed it. I was going to take it, but I was adjusting my ATM. Yeah. Yeah, I actually, that event actually is what got me into trading somewhat. So I was at the time, I was in a rehab center after having my leg amputated. I was waiting on waiting on the prosthesis, which parts were on back order because of COVID. And I had a little bit of money in Robinhood, and I bought a whole after the oil went negative. I bought a whole bunch of different oil stocks that were under $1 a share. And as that balanced, I like quadrupled my money that I had in Robinhood. So I'm like, I've always had an interest in trading, but never really did it to that point. And I'm thinking, well, I'm here, and I don't really have any other good use of my time. So I started. That made me decide to start learning more about how to trade. And I started with penny stocks. That was frustrating because of the PDT rule. And then eventually, I was watching a streamer who traded stocks, but he also was with Topstep, and he is advertising Topstep, and I decided to check that out, and the rest is history. New low a day. Oh, maybe not. I'm wrong. Still need 3 points before new low a day. 83. Yeah, that whole oil thing looks really weird on a daily chart. Yeah. uh, my God, I'm not even gonna say what that looks like on a daily chart, but yep, that's our oil went negative right there on the daily chart. Hey, Speed Racer, how are you today? Now we got the new low day. 682. Let's see if it bounces here for a double bottom type thing, or if we continue further down. Can it take us lower? Oh, sorry. No singing. No singing. I'm doing well, thank you. Still falling. Hey, CBR, how you doing today? Good to see you. Still pushing down. Yes, Dow pulling down. Crude's heading up. Gold heading up. Possible bounce. He's trying to bounce there. Whether it'll be successful, there's no way for us to know. But that's a nice little move up. Yeah. So it came down to 669, back up to 680. Thought about taking that first green candle. Obviously now I wish I would have, but it's okay. There's going to be more opportunities today. I can pretty much guarantee that. If there isn't, that means there's some reasons that wouldn't turn the market off. Oh, down. A little whoosh. A little whoosh. And the question is that the last hurrah for this move? Moves often end with big candles. I guess the answer is no. Look at gold just running though. Look at gold. Back up to its highs. Boom. Sitting here. 664, so it's struggling to get any lower. Trying to tease me with a tiny little blue candle. Didn't hold. I'm not sure exactly what spooked the market yesterday late afternoon to cause this drop, but it's definitely interesting. Still falling. Down to 651. Maybe here's with a curl. I don't know. Not the most exciting curl in the world. Oh, not the curl. Not the curl. Comes back down. Oh, there's a little whoosh. Our new low down to 641. Now at like a 240 point overnight range, which is huge. Huge. Maybe we're gonna go to zero today. Ghost has brought up about going negative in oil. Maybe we'll go negative in Q today. I think it'll get halted before it dropped that far. We do have a tiny bit of news coming up here in just a few seconds. Little green candle doesn't want to push. Good morning, Juan. How are you? I am, thank you. Better take the long there. Stop. Says that bottom of that blue candle. It's got to get through the 9. It's poked right up against it. Let's see if we can get up to the 20. Yeah, she still she's has work stuff going on, so she doesn't come into the stream much. But yeah, she posts just her P&L just about every day on the Discord. Yesterday, her combined 20 accounts did a little over 10K. Although she's on probation with Apex, waiting to hear about whether she's going to get paid or not. But she has started Bulenox accounts. Looks like it's not going to get through that 9. Blue candle fake out. I should not have taken it. I should have waited for confirmation. So it's going to stop me out. Because in the past she would pull a little bit too much money out and end up blowing PAs. And I guess now they decided that even though it's not something she's done recently, that they're gonna put her on probation. Yeah, I was waiting to see. She's kind of hoping, but we'll see what happens. So she's in Texas and Daryl Martin's in Texas. I would not want to be Daryl Martin if Apex denies her. Stepped up. So yeah, that was a dumb. I thought it was ready to pop, and I guess it wasn't. Continuing on down. Should have waited for a clean break of the 9. Yeah, they have a credit card processor now as of yesterday. So remember, they do not have NinjaTrader, at least not at this point. Or NinjaTrader or TradeDay. It's looking like NinjaTrader or TradeDay is going to open that back up next month, based on what I'm seeing. So we see this just to see what firms do get them. Oh, okay. There you go. Yeah, they give the Quant Tower license where you can copy trade another firm with them. Still falling. This is looking more like a Oh, never mind. So we broke 700 earlier, and now we're getting close to 600. And I hate this because I didn't take a single purple candle on the way down. I could be raking in the money, and again, I just ignore the trend. It's my biggest issue right now. Just trying again. And though doesn't seem like it wants to continue up. Just dropping, dropping, dropping. So if we go to our hourly chart here, trying to see, we got below Friday's lows. We haven't been this, wow, we haven't been this low since June 12th. So like 5 weeks. Back up to that 9 EMA. Slow grind back up to it. Just a slow grind. So we got down to, where do we get down to? 615, 615, back up 626. Trying to break that 9. Again, that 9 proves to be made of steel. We're 45 minutes from the bell. Blue candle still trying to break through. We're long. Oh, really? All right. It's going to be that kind of day. New low down to 610. So we're 0 for 2. Another blue candle. It's fighting. It's fighting. Doesn't want to give up 600. It's got to pull back at some point, right? I mean, pull up or reverse, whatever the word is you want to use. Anyone smarter than me and gotten a part of this down move? Trying again. Can I get through that 9 of steel? What the heck? We'll try again. There we go. It's coming, sniffing the 20. Touches the 20 and pulls back. Ow, really? Are EMAs going to be that important today? Really? Wow. Let's go try again. There we go. Or not. Back under the 9 of steel. Morning, Chris. How are you? What do you know? Target hit. 4 3/4 points. Yeah, it's ridiculous, Chris. At this point, Apex has fallen down to they started the year maybe number 1 or number 2 in my my ranking, and they've maybe fallen to number 5 or even possibly number 6. 4, 5, and 6 are kind of muddled, but definitely if anyone's looking for like a sim only firm, I recommend Bulenox. And heck, now that Flexytrade has a credit card processor, if we start seeing some positive things come out of Flexy, I don't know. We'll have to see. Hey, Mike. How long has it been pending? When will you know? I know they only pay once a month. That it's the end of the month, but I don't remember exactly when. Yeah, they pay only at the end of the month, so you should get your payout sometime in the next week. I don't know exactly when end of month. I don't know if it's the last day or whatever. I know I get my affiliate payout on the last day of the month. That's when they send it. So, yeah, if you can wouldn't mind letting me know that you do get that payment, because I've been, I promote them, but I don't promote them hard just because of how new they are, and they didn't have the credit card processor and all. But if I start hearing about payouts going through and all that, I will be more apt to promote them. Yeah. Just remember that they do not have NinjaTrader or TradeDay, Chris. At least not yet. I don't know if they'll be getting that when that all that reopens or not. They claim August 1st, Mike. It's not really on them, I don't think. It's Ninja that keeps pushing things back, because I think that's also why MyFundedFutures family hasn't launched yet, because they thought it'd be mid-July, and now they're also August 1st. So I think that's when it's supposed to be. But they said as soon as they get Fast Track said as soon as they get Ninja and TradeDay, the 30% goes away, and they'll never do more than 10% again. But so they're encouraging people to get in now at the 30% rate, and people can switch over if they want to once Ninja and TradeDay's available. Yeah. Now the nice thing about the whole they give you the Quant Tower license with Flexy, so you can copy trade them to one other Rhythmic account. So like you could copy Flexy to Apex, or copy Flexy to Bulenox, or whatever, if you wanted to. This one here. Well, I mean, I yeah, you're right. But I was in the trade. I took this blue candle, and then I was still in it for this blue candle here, and got out for 5 points. I mean, I should have let it run for 10, but I haven't had the best of luck today, and I was afraid it was going to bounce off that 20 EMA. TradeDay has a built-in copier, but Flexy does not have TradeDay at all. So that's not possible yet. And you wouldn't be able to copy TradeDay to Quant Tower, or vice versa. Rising up. We are 26 minutes till the bell. Apparently, as of this Friday, MyFundedFutures is dropping Rhythmic. They claim to have their own new data feed of some sort. I have a feeling it's going to be CQG Direct, but I'm not sure exactly what it is. They'll be announcing that on the 1st, I guess. But they'll grandfather in any existing Rhythmic users. They really can't do that with futures. And it's going to be interesting to see. I'm curious what this, how this plays out. I mean, if they could start putting pressure on Trader 8 and Rhythmic to start doing better, that's a good thing. But I know even Sim Defunded, which does Topstep X and Alpha's futures' thing, had some problems last week too. Bounce off the 20. Blue candle. Not convincing me though. bounce up. Slowing down a little bit as we head toward the bell. Hanging and sandwiched between those two EMAs. Hey, John, how you doing? And back up to 645. You'll recover, John. Are you ready? Or so quick. Yeah, I didn't actually make an ad for it, but hey, Ace. Good morning. Sorry, I missed you. How are you? John blocked you out. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Tomorrow night. That's small. Uh, I'll be doing a live interview with Matt Hensley. He is the owner and head of trader education at, I don't know how to pronounce that, Tiresias Trading. I'll have to ask him how to pronounce it before we go live. He's the one that was doing Beyond the Bell for Blue Sky before all the stuff happened at Blue Sky. Now he's doing it on his own company. But I'll be doing a live interview with him tomorrow, 7 Eastern, 6 Central, talking about his trader origin story and taking questions, any questions you have, although probably nothing about the situation at Blue Sky. Like I said, tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern time. Love if people could attend that and make that a nice little event. There is. There is. 1 second. Please hold. Please hold for the next available operator. Glad you're feeling better, Ace. There's the link for that. Popping back up. Less than 15 minutes till the bell. Right now we're red, but we're going to finish green. Main green. Josh and his team left last week, and I'm not yet 100% confident in the people that are left there. I only became an affiliate of Blue Sky because of Josh. So it's kind of I haven't stopped promoting them. As you can see, the banner's still up there, although I do probably plan on replacing the banner, but it may stay there. I don't know yet. But it's kind of at this point, I have to see that it's the quality of the props not going to go downhill in the absence of Josh and the core team that was doing everything there. He's on our Discord. He still talks with everybody there. Has not given any exact reasons of why they left, just that they did offer to have a they offered to work as contractors for 90 days to give Blusky a transition period, and Mike huffed and puffed and basically turned them down on that. So other than that, I don't know a lot of details of the whys. Spiders in the coffee can definitely be an issue. I've seen that destroy so many firms. My problems with Fast Track is the fact that, I mean, obviously these prop firms are businesses, and a lot of times he's running it like a hobby. They ban people for he outright said on his Discord that he'll ban any supporters of the side of politics that he doesn't agree with. In the early days on the Discord, they were allowing porn links. I haven't seen that lately. Anyone says something they don't like in a respectful, if it's even slightly critical, even if it's in a respectful way, they'll kick them from the Discord. And in my opinion, it's just not how you run a business. Now, I mean, I'm still promoting them. I like the concept that they're doing, but it bothers me that this is how they're running their business. So again, that's just something I'm watching. Popping up. Struggling to get through this area. Yeah, exactly. And it's just like it needs that to me is problematic. Because when you start turning people off like that, you start losing people. And my other issue is, what's going to happen when there's a big issue? Because he seems to lose it over little issues. And um, so what happens when something really breaks one day? Because something's gonna happen. Major rhythmic outage, major TradeDay outage when they get TradeDay. Some sort of major issue is gonna happen, and I just feel like he's just gonna totally lose his stuff. And I'm hoping I'm wrong. I'm hoping that maybe he grows into it, but it's not like he's a young guy. It's not like he's a 20-something there starting a business. And you think he'll take it more serious. From what I've understood, is he took out a HELOC in order to start this thing. So, purple candle. Looks like Ace might be right on that short. I don't like going to the Discord. I go there only if I need to find out some information real quick because I just can't stand it. It comes across as toxic. Big old purple candle there. 5 minutes, 6 minutes still at the bell. Day Trade New York. Day Trader New York. See, you subscribed 11 minutes ago. If you're still here, welcome to the stream. Feel free to say hello. Big whoosh down. I should have taken the purple candle. Huge whoosh. Nice job, Ace. Today's opening bell is brought to you by MyFundedFutures. MyFundedFutures launched their new starter plans at the beginning of July, and they are hot, hot, hot. The best plans, best accounts, whatever you want to call them, in futures. 50K accounts, $76 all in. That is the cheapest in futures. No funded setup fees. Easy eval. You can pass in one day. No consistency rules. No minimum trading days. End of day drawdown. No setup fees. You have a path to live. Everything good about futures trading is in these accounts. Check them out. Video link is in the video description below. Home equity line of credit, HELOC. Well, at least part of the process is going, Chris. Took the long on Topstep, and boom! Look at that. I'm in at 6:30. It's in at the 6:42. Out struggling there, so out. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I have no idea what kind of costs are needed to start a prop anymore. It seems to be a little too easy now. But I mean, maybe he had other savings or other money and just needed that to get over the hump. I don't know. Don't know the details, but that's what I heard that, I've been slumping in my 2-minute meme. All right, Ace. I hope you enjoy yourself. Just let K-pop trade for you. Sideways. Candles had a 25-point range on this opening 1-minute candle. Finishes to the downside. Still not giving us direction on the direction. Ace is short. I'm short. Ooh. Boom. No. Ooh. Boom. There we go. That worked. 10 points. Ooh. Could have got 20. But now we're only red by 38 bucks. So we're heading in the right direction. Wow, look at that bounce though. Got down to 604, which was a new low a day. Bounced all the way back up to 618. Now it's coming right back down. Is somebody using a yo-yo on the market? Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yep, whooshing, we broke 600 down to 585. big move down. It's a 30-point candle, just falling fast. Not afraid of falling. Oh, I'm sorry, singing. Oops. Nice pop on the EMD. NQ still falling. ES still falling. That was a heck of a call on that short, Ace. And I took the trade, so you don't have to get mad at me and leave. Still falling. Bounce here, possibly. Yeah. Oh, wow, right back down. Just took back that profit from that last trade. Misread, I guess. Oops. Yeah. Whoosh. Still going down. Wow. See the fall just from the last night's open till now. We're down 350 points. Dow's bouncing a little bit. ES also dying yet. Wick now makes me rethink the blue candle. I was going to take it. Oh, blue candle went away at the end anyway. About that. It's working, so it would have worked. Darn it. Eh. I mean, it would have worked, and then it wouldn't have. Did pop up by 15, back down. Gold having a good day. Look at gold go. Go, go, gold. Crude, meh, meh. Ooh, Ultra Bond really dipped and then ripped. Thank you, Livestock. I forgot about that. We have news in a minute. Multiple news things. The Canadian rate decision and the US S&P PMI flashing us. Thank you for reminding me, Livestock. Figures it's giving me a beautiful blue candle here. Right before the news. Well, it didn't explode either way. None of the numbers have popped up financial juice yet. There we go. Oh, Bank of Canada did not lower rates. They expected to do, and they did not. I'm surprised the market. I mean, it's Canada, but I'm surprised it did not go down. So news really didn't do much at all. We have more news coming up at the top of the hour. And we have crude oil inventories a little bit later. Coming back down. Nice pop up. Thought about taking that doji there. Me. Boom, 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 boom. Oops. It's a nice rise. So it looks like it's trying to move back up now. Got through the 20, I mean the 9, heading toward the 20. Puts its nose out, sniffing it. So far it doesn't like the smell of the 20. Have you ever smelled the 20 EMA? It's not pretty. Pushes back down. Hanging here, 533. Everyone got very, very quiet. Everyone shocked by the news that Canada didn't lower their rates. Market kind of died. I mean, I shouldn't say that. These are bigger candles, but still. Dow's dipping. ES isn't happy. Mid caps aren't happy. If the mid caps aren't happy, nobody happy. Oh, gold. Wow, everything's kind of dipping. Nothing I want to trade right here. Pulls down. We're at lows, basically. 521's the low. We're at 526 and falling. This continues. New low. News in a couple minutes. I forget what news it is. I think I remember this stuff. U.S. new home sales units. I have no idea why that white line's there. It's from weeks ago. Yep. The gold and oil have pulled back here in the last half hour or so. Bitcoin has as well. Bitcoin did almost get up to 67K. See the dollar falling, although it's bouncing there. Still can't get any traction up. There's the break of 500. Almost down 400 points since the start of the day. Yep. Setting a buy order at 1. So when it bounces off 0. Well, there's a nice blue candle. Real quick, big blue. Oh yeah, those news. Forgot about news. Apparently it wasn't that big of a deal. It's fighting around 500. There's another white line. Obviously it broke the first one. We are now 400 points down. And bounce. Nice big candle there, up to the 9. struggling here. Just can't find any footing to bounce. Oh wait, I misread it. Okay, so they did lower their rates. I apologize. Bank of Canada did lower their rates. Hemming and hauling here right under 500. I swear I hit the buy button there and nothing happened. Which kind of sucks. Either I missed it or there's a trade evade issue. I must have somehow missed the button. No idea how that happened. Would have got me 10 points. But that's okay. Hit that 20 EMA, bounce right back down. And bouncing back up. Right back down. Can't get through that 20. Down it comes again. Another new low. Bounce here? Maybe not. Yeah, darn it. Thought so. Blue candle, China. If anyone's trading crude, remember you got crude inventories in 15. Back down. All right, livestock. I'm upset with myself that I missed that purple candle. I mean, I saw it there. I just didn't register in my brain. I should take it. I would say that was a good one. Starting to move up. Can it reclaim 19.5? Yeah, mainly NQ. I try to keep an eye on gold. I do a lot of gold. I shouldn't say a lot of gold, but I tend to do gold on my Apex account just to do something different. But I often miss it because I'm focused on NQ. Thank you. Try to come back down. Now, as I say that, I just took a trade on YM on Topstep off the 5-minute chart there. Looking for it to get it back up to that 9 EMA on the 5, which is at 284. See it pushing up down there. Or trying to. It keeps getting beaten down around 264. Crude oil inventories in a few minutes. Looky there. Look at why I'm running there. I say that it pulls back. Wow, big pullback on it. That sucks. So it didn't get where I thought I was going to pull back. Right before the close of this 5-minute candle. See, this is the YM chart here. See that big wick on it. Got up to 266. It's now back to my entry. And that really sucks that it pulled back that much. Yeah, but now it's a red trade. See if it bounces. There we go. It's trying. Gotta get back through the 9 and the 20 again, though, on the 1-minute chart. And Q kind of is still there. There we go. And YM's trying again. I have my target right on the 9 from the 5-minute chart. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it. It's being problematic. It's going to stop me out here for a small goal. Oh, maybe not. Bounces on my entry. There we go. Come on. He's having trouble in that area right there where it's at. Yes, please. And Q popped out of the blue candle. I missed that because I'm focusing here on the Dow trade. Whoopsie. That would have been a good one too. Pulls back a bit. Stops now in profit by 20 bucks, but if it comes back down to those EMAs and breaks them, I'll probably get out there anyway. There we go. Come on. Are you serious? You got two within 2 ticks of my target. Oh wow. It touched my target and didn't fill. I'm just gonna take it off there. So it ended up being a 32 point trade. So I believe that's when I can look. 160 bucks. There we go. Thank you, Ace. Fun little trade. And then Q Blue Candle, I don't know if I would have trusted it if I was watching because it was right on the 20. You can see it popped up by like 15 points and then right back down. There's crude inventories, and it just popped by 30 ticks. Stretching. So how's everyone today? Green, red? Down we come. That whoosh down. That was a 20-point candle. I should have saw that coming. Had the overextension there. And hit a band. Purple candle. Didn't work. Thankfully, I didn't take it. Big news for Topstep. Michael Patak just confirmed on Topstep TV that the mandatory daily loss limit will be going away at Topstep in the next 45 days, and you'll be able to set your own if you want in all platforms. That is for the Combine as well as for the funded accounts. coming down. So that big purple candle would have worked. It was if, meh. But still, Have a great day, Ace. We'll see you, what, Monday? All right. All right. Well, we'll see you then if you can make it. If not, definitely enjoy your weekend. This is continuing to move down. 449 our low now. ES all the way down to 55.12. Blue candle trying to pop. They say once you pop, you can't stop. I'm late. Very late. Wow. Yeah. 5 points late. It's got to get through the 9. And it's not going to. That's my fault for being late. I would have a much bigger stop otherwise. Dang it. 59 up to 66. I could have got 5 at least, but the. Coming back down. "15 minutes ago, there's 3 people here." Hi to the 3 people that have stuck with me this long. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to promote this stream because for some reason my numbers have died. Oh, Ghost, you're still awake. I appreciate that. Look at this just continuing to fall. You got to think there's a bounce coming somewhere, but maybe not. Ooh, Dow bounce though. Look at that bounce on the Dow. Someone, livestock said 180 earlier, got down to 194. Ooh. Oh, Dow, there's the Dow bouncing. I forgot I still Dow up on the Topstep X. Nice bounce on the Dow. NQ has not found its bounce yet. Maybe here's our bounce. Can't get much lower. I mean, it can, but wow. Yeah, they did not like Tesla's earnings yesterday, I guess. I didn't even see what the headlines were, if they beat or if they... Apple down huge. Tesla down at the daily chart. Yeah, look at that. Move down. Alphabet, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, GameStop. Which one of these is not like the other? I hate myself on days like this because I never take advantage of the trend, and I got it. This is where if I could get this one thing down and taking advantage of the trend, it's the last major hurdle. I keep trying to look for the reversal, and that keeps not working. Or it works, but for a small amount. When if I just go in short at the start of the stream, I would be up major, 5-minute chart, this purple candle would have been perfect, and you can see it's dropped 60 points since. Oh, a good one too. Have a great day, Juan. We'll see you tomorrow. There's a boost or a whoosh or a pop. That's that's the word I was looking for. Pop. No idea why I struggled with that. Just about reached the top of the hour. It's like it might try to be pop here. It might try to be pop. Yeah. Might be trying to pop here as it heads up a little bit. I hope everyone has a great day today. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time for another day of fun trading action. We'll have some good news tomorrow. Like news reports with jobless claims tomorrow. So have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.